Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something that is super powerful that can help you manifest faster and with more ease. Have you guys heard of the 369 method? It's a simple yet structured way to manifest anything that you want. Stick around because in the end I'm going to reveal a super manifestation trick that will help you tap into your body's natural energy for even stronger results. What if the secret to getting everything that you wanted and ever dreamed of was already within you? By the end of this video, you'll know how to do the 369 method, and you'll discover a supercharged way to supercharge your manifestation power. Here's how it works. In the morning, write your intention or goal 3 times. Midday, write that same goal 6 times. In the evening, write it 9 times. So you might be thinking, what's up with all this repetition? It is all about training your mind to stay laser focused on what you're manifesting. This helps you stay committed, consistent, and clear. So you may be thinking, why does this resonate so deeply? Your thoughts shape your reality. By writing your goal multiple times, you are telling your subconscious, this matters to me. Let's bring it into my life. Over time, your actions, your mindset, and even your everyday choices start to align with that goal. You're basically turning all your desires into a magnet that pulls opportunities, resources, and the right people. So now, here is the part you may not expect. Tapping into your body's natural, intimate energy. Some people believe that in the moments of pleasure, yes, even the ones that you create for yourself, open a channel or a gateway to make your manifestations even stronger. By doing so, they think that you can boost your energetic frequency. The idea is when you feel good, free of stress, free of worry, and you're more relaxed, you're more receptive to positive energy. It's about embracing your own well-being, which can amplify what you're attracting in your life. To really maximize your results, try these simple steps. Pair the 369 practice with a calm, clear mindset, maybe after meditation or when you feel most peaceful. Keep your goal specific and positive. Instead of, I don't want stress, say, I am attracting peace and abundance. If you're exploring using your intimate energy, remember it's about comfort and feeling good. Honor your boundaries and do what feels right and respectful to you. I encourage you guys to give the 369 method a try. Try it for at least a few weeks and see if you guys see any shifts in your life. And if you guys decide to do the extra energetic boost, see how it feels and notice what changes. As always, I would love to hear your experiences. Leave a comment below and let's support each other's growth. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with someone who might find this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on manifestation, personal growth, and living your best life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.